Faithless dog he is. God will surely punish him. Don't know to whom I have to go and say this. He is not like as before, sir. He is asking money for the milk. If we give money only, he will give the milk, it seems.
Master, there is no way out.
Oh, so your situation is very bad. Actually, how is your cow business going
With
on?
a great difficulty, I bought a cow. Ultimately, it died.
That's so sad. I can't help you financially as of now.
Oh,
How can I help you then? Okay, you do one thing. The cow you see there which belongs to me, he'll be useful. You take it to your house.
okay.
I'm sure your problem will be solved. Don't worry.
But still,
I'm telling you, buddy, you take him with you.
okay, Master.
Look, sir.
What else can I do for helping him?
Please listen to me. That is only the thing we are having.
His situation is worse than us. Poor guy. That's the reason I... What is wrong in that? Forget it. Different people have different habits. Just leave it.
Oh my God. It's very sensitive.
For me too. This nail polish which I've applied is remaining like that only. Is it hurting you or what? Your leg, if somebody sees, is very beautiful.
Really? Oh, he's coming here. Okay, I'll go inside now.
Those who are sleeping, we can wake them up. But those who are pretending to sleep... Oh my God, who is this? Master, servant or what? I didn't see you. Please sit. You thankless fellow. For a little milk, you came to my boss and asked and fought for money, right? Fodder and hay. Nobody is giving me loan for that. That's why. Yes, man. I came to settle that loan only. Okay, then the account might be really big. I have not prepared an account also. You please entirely hand it over to me. I just came I got it completely. I'm so happy now. Hey, you dog. The person responsible for your growth is my master only. The person who only knows how to give. You have been arguing with him for money, right? You dog. You worthless fellow. You will never become alright. When you came like a beggar and you were crying, my master gave his best cow to you. You will never have a good peaceful life. You cheat. Worthless fellow.
What is this? I hear some crackers sound.
bursting crackers for
Oh,
Christmas.
that one. Diwali. Diwali will not come now, no?
You might have heard something else.
Look here, don't just say me like that and all,
You are
okay?
not destined for that.
Oh God, I'm not expecting anything. Look here, just make me to be silent, otherwise that's
Oh my
all.
God, she is going to destroy it, I guess. It is just not the plastic alone. Every dirt is there inside this bloody canal.
I think, did you see that fish?
Who fell into the water? Fell into the water? Hey, who's this new fellow, man? Which means nobody fell into the water or what? Let me be whoever it is. When I went to the junction only, I got to know there are 4 unemployed youth here and I got to know more about you. When I see unemployed youth, from within my being, a wild beast comes out. Hey, don't jump. I'll let you know when to jump. The only thing what I inherited from my ancestors is this wild nature. Not that alone. Living and traveling through these action-oriented situations have actually made me a wild person like this. It's only actually from within only. By the way, what is your name?
Tommy.
Tommy can be kept for dogs. Your name?
Nazar?
Nazar. He's the father of his father.
No, I'm a son.
This son will only become a father, na?
Hari.
Govind. Govind. Hari Govinda Nazar Tommy. Marvelous. Fantastic. My novel can get this awesome title. Idealistic. Systematic.
What is this here?
Awesome. By the way, I didn't introduce myself to you. I am JKK. That's my pen name. Novelist, correspondent, and an editor. Guys, when I think about you, I pity you guys. I am troubled and deeply moved. If you look behind you,
Huh?
several years back, a youngster who was nobody, just with a meager $10 in his pocket and a toned bag like this, he came to this open world governed by wolves. Come on, come on.
Actually, if you think, can we get some job or something?
Obviously, I'm coming to that only. Sit. Sit somewhere, everywhere you like. His unmatched ability to write and his power of creativity. None of the media people here actually tapped it. He wrote on soiled papers. He wrote till the pen was empty, till his hands ached. He wrote all the letters he knew. Writing, that particular day arrived. An angel from heaven descended in front of him. And he became an editor, a chief editor, and then an accountant. Which story is this, sir? No, I have heard it somewhere. You might not have heard it. It's my story only. Nice story. But this story has got some similarity with another novel which I've read. What do you say?
You will get it. So what did you say now actually?
The guts that you have to do any job, I really appreciate that. Hats off. Now what you should do is actually just one thing. You should somehow raise some fund. After all, but only just 2 lakhs. That's enough. Just because I'm experienced in this journalism field, some adjustments can happen. After all, experience always counts. That's it. Experience counts always. Can you follow me? Since you guys are new, I'm just telling you. This media industry is not like a matchbox industry. For example, if you have a magazine and you make it grow and grow, it becomes a big organization. With the help of that, many people will live. Apart from that, your individual lives will also change forever. And that's for sure. You got it?
Actually, we never knew all this.
That is why I am here. Hey, hello, excuse me. Can you reduce the amount or what? Hey, what do you mean by talking like that? You're in a fish market or what? This is a media industry. Do you know that? Only if you throw money will you be able to pull money. You got it?
Sir.
You got it?
Yeah.
Don't make
Hey.
this donkey talk to me
Sir,
anymore.
please.
No, I'm not here. I'm not.
Sir,
sir,
please
please.
adjust, sir. Sir, please. Just shut up, man.
According to skeletal system, in every human beings, there will be 206 bones. These bones are the reasons for our physical structure and muscle power. A legendary human being, within a second, transmitted us a skeleton. And that skeleton turned us ashes. It's a big history I have in my mind. Anybody of in this class can tell whose history was that? Can you?
Sir, Joan of Arc.
Good. These type of histories and tragic sequences makes our life. Of course, if you see the skeleton like this, you feel like laughing. When it suddenly changes into ashes, you feel like crying. That's why our forefathers used to say, don't laugh at others, finally you have to cry.
Sir,
Huh? Meenakshi Indraguptan, Ranjit KR. Both of you go to principal's room. Go.
play it once more. Huh? Do you see smoke there? Freeze it, freeze it. Is a test tube broken?
Sir, it's a hot scene. Do you think that it won't explode?
Play it once more.
May I come in, sir?
Yes. Switch it off. Yes, come in, come in. Come. I think you both should join a film institute. The lab we have here is to just teach chemistry to students, not to verify the chemistry between you. George, switch it on. Look at it. Switch it off. Tomorrow, I'm going to issue TC to both of you.
Sir, hereafter I won't do like that, sir.
I don't want your assurance. I want your father to come here and assure me.
Sir, if my family gets to know...
If they come to know, even in a film, the censor board cuts scenes like this. Let your father also enjoy these scenes. Bring him here.
Sir, please, sir.
Sir?
No more excuses. I have to run this institution. Go.
Sir, please, sir.
You can go to your classes after your parents come here. Go now. Don't just stand there. Switch it on again.
Okay, sir.
May I come in, sir?
Yes.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Please take a seat.
Thank you.
That is, in school, whatever she must learn, she is learning lots of other things than that. George,
Sir?
switch it on. Just look at that. See for yourself. Look.
Actually, children of this age will behave like that only in college and school sometimes. But it's not nice to record it and keep. To be precise, it's a blackmail, right?
There are 1,200 students in the school. If they all start doing this, what will you name the school as? I am meeting a mother for the first time who justifies the wrongs of a daughter. Actresses like you will not think twice about it because you do it every day in front of the camera. But there is a reputation for the school, and parents believe us and they send their words. They will not appreciate and applaud if they look at this.
I did not come to applaud or appreciate this, sir. It's right. My daughter did a mistake. But you have recorded it, and that irritates me.
We have not set up CCTVs to record scenes like this. If they break something, they have to pay the fine. They'll say they didn't do it. We have cameras just to prove that. And at times, in the camera, we get such scenes like this too.
Sir, I'm sure that it will not happen again, I promise. We will make her understand.
Right. Anyhow, I had a chance to meet actress Indulekha just because your daughter did something wrong. And are your shootings going on now?
It's going on. You call me only during the shooting.
Okay. I will delete this. You pay the fine. Let her go to class.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
Sir, first time I'm seeing a cine artist straight away.
I am excited.
1 packet ciggy. Write it in the account.
Okay. As usual, credit.
I'll give it tomorrow. No?
Yeah, I've heard it a lot of times. So 7 plus 9 plus 14. This is. Today you didn't go to meet your friends? 34.
They
plus-
left, Dad.
Actually, Dad, I wanted to tell you something. What do you want to tell your father? Instead of wasting your time with your friends, why don't you help your father? Have you ever thought about that?
I've told you, Dad, I'm always ready to help you.
But you have never accepted that. I have given proper education to you, but I don't think it's of any use. Okay. Tell me, for what have you come? One of my friend has given me an idea of business. It's about publishing a book. Oh. He said it is a very profitable business. Actually, for that, I require some amount of money from you, Dad. To start the business, what you have told, it requires a lot of investment. My dear child, as you think now, it's not very easy job. When my other friends are ready to invest, I too, you know about me. Financially, I'm very weak now. You know that I don't have even a penny with me. Actually, Dad, I have a idea for that. But you should not feel angry. No. Tell me, son. Dad, you have invested some money in that mutual fund, right? Yeah. If you can take some money from that. You want me to collect it before the time is over? What are you talking, my dear child? Your sister has to get married. What will I do at that time? Tell me. I have invested some amount only for that purpose. Don't you know about that? Okay, Dad. I will tell them. I'm not joining this business. Don't feel, my dear. If you become upset, I can't see that.
Uncle, one magazine, please.
Yeah, take this. I will try to arrange money somehow. Dad, you are my only son, my dear child. You have to take care of the family. So I will try my level best to always help you. My son should always be blessed. Oh my Lord, please protect my son. It's my humble prayer. 2013, Thursday, May 16th. As of now, the details given are fine. Okay, let me read it completely. 5th ward, from the seaside, the house which belongs to my family, Tacholit, myself, Martandan, son Govindan, from his father, is collecting 10 cents of ground from this property. This property, which Mr. Govind has got a share, is worth 2 lakh of rupees. After receiving this amount too, he will not have any share in this family other than this property and cash, will not ask his parents about any more share, will not disturb his parents anymore for investment or property sharing basis. This is with my complete knowledge. Myself, Govind. Can I have your signature?
Dear Dad, 3 edits are required. That I don't have further share in the property, that I should not have any more connection with my mom, and about returning the money also.
Oh, in that case, you will not be getting even a penny from this amount. If you want it, you have to put the signature.
Okay.
Come on. Put. Have this too.
Now what is this white paper for?
I'll tell you. Listen carefully. For the 2 lakh rupees what you're receiving now, you have to pay an interest of 2,000 rupees every month without fail. I will not forget that. Put the signature for that.
You are the right example for a dad.
Have this.
Oh, okay. Thank you. I forgot one thing. 3 underwears are kept inside for drying. Can I take that
No,
also?
no, not required. Let it be there. You can buy new from the nearby market. Come on, go.
Okay.
Ah.
Then shall I come?
Ah,
I need your
blessing you.
blessings.
Please leave.
Okay, I'm leaving. Mom, please keep the kitchen door always open.
I know what are you going to do in your life. Just wandering. That's it. This is the last chance for him to improve. Otherwise, let him get lost.
Mom?
I've come taking a break from the shooting. Your fine is all paid. You can go to class very well now.
Mom. Please don't tell Dad all this. Please, Mom. Please, Mom.
Honey, nobody has ever compelled you to come to cinema, right? And such a role in such a age, I had to do only in cinema. Assuming we will compel you to act in cinemas, you should not be enjoying your youth like this. Hello? Hey, no problem at all here. That's Meenakshi has broken a small test tube in chemistry lab. It's just 50 rupees fine I had to pay. That's it. I'm starting to location from school. No problem at all. Don't worry, okay?
Why are you tearing those posters, man?
Oh. We are not tearing your film posters, sir. Don't get tensed.
Sir, we have seen already a same story in another movie. Then why should this movie?
So you're against people who copy movies, huh?
Now we belong to another generation.
Roshni, take it. You never know, it might be a shoot.
Children, look at me. There is a new math teacher come to our school.
He resembles Charlie Chaplin so much, right?
Well done. Lovely. Excellent. Good job.
Chaplain.
Chaplain.
Sir, tomorrow also you gave date to us, sir.
Oh, yes, yes, yes.
Tomorrow we should start earlier, sir.
Oh, okay, okay.
Chaplain.
Bye.
Chaplain.
Anybody to get down here? Anybody to get down here? Come fast, come fast. Come.
What happened? Why are you late?
Okay, right. Come on.
Your dad must be worried. Okay, I need to tell you something. We guys are planning to move to the city.
4 members are.
Yes. But we will be needing some money for that. And then the other 3 guys, I think their jobs are through.
Then what you did on the time?
Mom has said that she'll ask for money from somebody. But who's going to lend money?
Everything will be all right.
Who knows? I'll be able to go only if I get some money. If I'm not there, they might also not go. And then we guys need to stick around here and do some work.
Nothing is there to worry about it. Sure, good things will be happen.
Yeah. Let's see.
Why you are so late, dear? You don't worry, son. Surely that God will show us a good way.
Why is there a pin drop silence here?
Hi.
Hello, Hari. What happened, man? What happened, mother?
Nothing, man. We always decided that we'll do everything together, right? But now...
What are you telling, buddy? What's happened now?
Look here, son. I didn't get any money at all. Actually, this was a very huge amount. No one will give us.
You know, right? For my sister's marriage, father had kept some money. That is what he gave me.
I got the money after severing the relation and then signing on a stamp paper. Now I can never go back home. I was confident that we will stand together. That is why I took this drastic step.
We don't have any other option, buddy.
Now what will we tell that crazy journalist now?
Dear. My dear. Can't you hear?
Daddy? and all?
Actually, for a hurry, he'll be getting a job very soon. So that's the reason I can't help him financially. So I thought this will be the only way for me.
All what is remaining is that big utensil. Now, if you give that to...
So you both are come here to obstruct me or what? This is the only way I can help Hari.
It is for your good only. Otherwise, have I said anything?
I know. Please come.
Okay.
Hari,
Yeah?
come on, it was already late. If you sleep like this, how, dear? Come on, get up and eat something. Look here, dear, if you cry like this, how? For me, no one is there. You are the one.
Mom, it's not that. Only my situation.
Look here. Everything will be solved.
It's actually a very old one. Nowadays, you won't get all this. It's very expensive. To the left. Slowly. Somebody get on.
Hello, sir. I actually don't need this. Just for you only, I agree to buy this.
I know that.
There is no big profit buying this. You had told me your requirement, right? You just count and see now.
I always believe you.
Okay, then I am taking this.
You need not ask me for that. It belongs to you now.
There are a couple of other work to do. Shall I leave then? Okay. Hello, Jafar bhai. You come with the truck, okay?
Master.
It's all right, dear. Forget it.
Master, Harry has come to meet you. Come here.
I know that you are very upset now.
All this is because of my fate, I know.
No, you should not think like that. Just take this from me. Come on.
Uncle? In between all this hardship...
Oh, that's okay, dear.
Uncle!
Hey, what is this, my dear? Don't become emotional. You're going to start a business. You should be brave enough for that. Okay? Okay, tell me when are you going to start?
From tomorrow.
It's getting late for my evening prayers.
So, shall I take leave?
Hari, whatever business you're doing, be straightforward in that. Have God faith and take a very good path. That alone advice I have to give you.
I will call you later. Hey!
Grandpa, today is one of the most happiest day of my life. It's because of you I became an actor. Today I performed as Charlie Chaplin. I wanted to show you how I look, that's why I didn't change my clothes.
Indra! What is this? What attire is this? Let me see. It looks very perfect, no? Superb. Okay, please walk and show. Just like original, no? Wait. Let me take a photo, okay? Okay. Smile. Yes. Good. Superb. Once more. Okay.
After we got married, we've had a lot of fights. We've had ups and downs in our relationship, but today was a nice day.
At least today you realize my love. On the day we got married, you have discussed a few things. I don't know if you remember. About your parents or about your previous marriage, I should not be asking anything. I haven't questioned yet. And you told me another thing also. I remember only the action.
Honestly, I'm so happy to have you in my life. We still have a long way to go. After very long, I love the character which I performed today. Go! What happened to your tuition classes? Why didn't you go?
Dad, you got a letter today.
A letter? A time when everything happens online?
What? Don't you want people writing letters in these days?
Dear Indragupta, I see you only in the TV and magazines. I have prayed for you. I have cheered you on. I hope you're not angry with me.
I've been traveling a lot, my son. I'll be going to Singarapatnam. I want to see you. It's been long. I hope I can. It's close to your place. Please come and see me. Your dear father.
It's coming Wednesday, right, Meenakshi? Why don't we also go together and bring father back here?
No. I'll go there alone. Father might feel uncomfortable to meet you. That's why he's called me there alone. I know him well. Otherwise, I'll try cooking up some stories and call him here. Once he comes here, I won't let him go. Come. Sir, I have a small request. Can you please cancel the shooting on Wednesday? My father wants to see me. If I don't go, he'll be very upset. Sir, please don't say no. I've never asked something like this before. Please. Okay. Thank you so much, sir. It means a lot. Thank you.
Ammu sister, don't throw all that away. That belongs to my grandfather.
Do it fast, brother. How much time it will take? Here, sunrise also is not coming. Shit.
Why are you getting upset for small things? Yeah, now it's over.
All right. What a wait.
Hurry, I know that you will come. I was waiting for you.
Uncle, I have come for your blessings.
You will always have my blessing. You should prosper. Your friends are also coming.
Sorry, we are late.
Why are you guys late?
Got to pack everything and come, right?
So then, we all will...
Okay, that's fine.
Okay, thank you.
God bless
Thank
you.
you. Bye. Okay, sir. Okay, come, let's go.
You're already late now.
I say time, these fellows will never stick to the time. Where are they gone? This bloody place is also... What is this? What is the time now? Is this your responsibility? Huh? No. This won't do. In the beginning, if you're like this, how will you do in the future? Huh? Do you know who you made to wait for so long? The country's biggest story writer, a journalist, one useless
Sir,
fellow.
please cool down, sir.
No,
We had to
I
get
said
some
the fact-
cash.
I said the fact
That's the reason
only.
we went to collect it.
What he said is right.
Now
What
I
he
got
said.
it. You're correct.
Just let that go. Now what next?
We have to get in the vehicle. We should get in the vehicle. Come
Yeah.
on.
Sir, are we going to the city now?
No.
No. Then where are we going?
Now we are going to the land and kingdom of fictional stories. Now we are going to travel. Come on. Get in.
Let's go.
Okay. Okay. Everybody sit and relax. Now we are going. Here we go. Good morning, sir. Good morning.
All right.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Where are the others today?
They didn't get the bus, sir. Suddenly strike has
Stupid
started.
reason. Always stupid reasons. Why are you staring at me? Just go and bring them. Come on.
Oh, okay, sir. I'll go just now.
Good for nothing, people. Bullshit. Why don't you
no,
go?
sir, I'm going, sir.
You're looking very dull today. Any problem? I'm there to help you.
This is the press which I was talking about. How is it? Did you like it? It is very strong. It works well. Not used to till now, which means it doesn't work out. It will work. It will surely work. It will work really very well.
Approximately per day, how many papers can be printed?
That depends on how much paper we feed in. How much ever you feed in, it will come like that, one by one, and it will come. It is exactly like how the cows give milk, just like that.
Then why don't we just use a cow?
These fellows are only fit to breed cows, I guess.
I don't know what
Tell
this
me
guy is
about
up
the
to.
amount. How much will be the amount?
Amount and all I will say. Since it is you people, I need not say anything more. I don't have any benefit also. We will settle it for 25 lakhs.
Oh my God.
Easy, man.
I need not get tense like that and all. We can just reduce it if you want. We will talk about reducing later. Let us discuss with the people in the office.
Yeah, okay. Sir,
Actually,
listen, what you said is right. Come, let's go.
Okay, come on, let's go.
on.
It's a
Come on,
nice
please,
press. Please come. Listen. I can adjust and give you a 10,000 rupees as commission, man. But you were selling fishes before, or what? Come, man. These fellows have started talking back to me.
What's the matter now? I've already told you before. I'm going to see my father. Once I go home, I'll see my diary and tell you. Bye.
He wants a date.
Mr. Alfonso called up. He wants my dates.
I thought so. You used to call me often, sir.
Uncle,
Hi.
haven't you brought Meenakshi?
Once upon a time, they used to conduct coloring classes over here. I'll go inside, see you in a while.
Oh, hi. What a surprise. I never expected.
Where's your husband?
He's on the other side. There's 2 customers come in. They'll take all the properties in the house.
I'm really scared he might tell everyone that you're an antique piece and sell you off.
Don't worry me, brother. These 2 people always playing. Keep the bat there and call father. Tell uncle is come. Go. Come, brother.
I came here to tell you a very good news. Father wrote me a letter. He wants to meet me at Singarapatnam railway station.
Hi, dear. What is the matter?
Father wrote a letter to me.
I think somebody trying to cheat you. They want to get some money from you. Or else, how come a father meet a son in railway station? Ask him to come here. We will catch up in this beautiful house. Or else ask him to come to your house.
He did not write his address.
When I was marrying your sister, that time also you don't have any address. Care of platforms. I have some customers around there. I will attend them and come.
Brother, I'm not coming. Listening to all his words, I'm fed up. How many years Mommy was expecting father? At last, without any peace, she died. How much of struggle we have undergone. I'm not coming. Even if he comes here, I will say he's not my father.
If you're not coming with me, I'll go alone. He's our father. I miss him a lot, sister. Don't say no. We must go and see him. Remember, mother told us once that father would definitely come back?
Do you remember what you told mother in her deathbed?
Oh, Gautami, I was very young then. Today, even if he had called me to hell to see him, I would have gone. I'm desperate to see him.
Whatever it is, I'm not coming. The people here will never agree to it. Please sit. I'll offer you some tea.
It's a very rare piece.
Okay.
More antique.
Oh.
Actually, today our shop is closed. That's why I asked you to come here.
Oh.
I will keep very few of our antique pieces in my home. Tomorrow you can come to shop and buy everything even I am not there.
These old antique pieces and this place. How beautiful is this?
If we are surrounded by the antique pieces like this, our mind will be peaceful like that pond. Or else we have to perform yoga like my brother-in-law.
Is that actor Indraguptan?
Yeah, he is my own brother-in-law. And moreover, my customer also.
Is it so?
He used to buy all important rare collection from me. Okay, we will meet tomorrow.
Okay.
Whatever it is, sir. As per your instruction, we have done whatever we can do. Now it's high time we start the work soon. We cannot waste our time anymore for this.
Hello, children. My experience is my teacher. You understood, right? And God will save us.
Hey, listen, now we have already signed the agreement. Hey, look here, man. And whatever is written in that, we should sit together and take a proper decision. Is it okay?
I believe everything is for the good. That's all I have to say.
Magazines, books, and something like real estate. When I hear such things, I'm getting frightened.
There is nothing to get scared, man.
Hey, listen, you don't have to worry about anything. If we succeed, it'll be together. If not, we'll all stick together.
No room for sentiments here. No dialogues here. Now only action. Cheers!
Cheers, cheers.
Where is my glass, man? Where is my share? Where this? Okay. We finish bottom. It's burning too much here. Hey, what, man? They have put chili in this or what?
Did you see this? This is a report given by our agents all over the city. The girls who are there are interested only in sweet stuff, I believe. Bullshit. Girls are in an intoxicated mood after having sweet stuff. Nonsense.
Sir, we are trying our best to improve it. But their writers are all experienced ones.
Are you not ashamed to tell all these things? We have a writer here to a good-for-nothing fellow. How is he? Has he started his writing?
Yes, but he won't be as good as Sam.
I expected this.
We shouldn't have quarreled with him. Now Sam is our competitor. I heard he's going to write for them.
They have brought him, that's it. A person who doesn't even know to hold a pen properly, I made him a writer. I'm the reason behind that. Now I'm facing the consequences. Somehow try to find a good writer who can give us some good stuff. Come on.
Right, sir. Sunny has arrived.
What? Tell him to come immediately.
Sir, he's not here. He's arrived in the journalism field.
Bullshit. I have invested rupees 50 lakh rupees in this business buying machines. It is not for your stupid literature stuff which people don't read. Just include some A-grade writings in your stuff. Let the youngsters of the city enjoy themselves in their life. What are you staring at me? Just take care of your work.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, wait, don't you move your... Don't crowd up there. Don't crowd up there.
Sir, please come, sir. Sir, welcome, sir. How was the journey, sir?
Please come. Hold it properly. Hold. Hey, he's come. Come. Change the picture. Give the bouquet. Very good. Come, sir. Sir, please come, sir. Please come. Come, sir. Come. Oh, I should be coming in, sir. Please come, sir. Here. Sir, please, sir. Please, sir. Oh, God.
Please, sir.
Okay, keep the bouquet aside.
What happened? Just the garland got entangled. So, therefore, about my dear friends, Sargunam sir's arrival actually is going to change the appearance of our company. Now our magazine circulation is going to increase and increase. Correct. Now this is going to turn into a storm. I don't have any doubt.
And even I don't have any doubt about it.
You said it. We are going to create a mark in the minds of everyone here.
These praises given by everybody, sir has to be careful.
Telling good things about me and decreasing salary. That I've undergone before also.
Forget about the salary and all.
What is this?
Hope they don't know you got beaten up in the first place.
Whatever we have undergone before, it shouldn't happen now also, right?
Yes, regarding that, you need not worry at all. You go ahead confidently.
Please move and sit. No, how can I come? You are the new editor. Huh? What is your name, sir?
I will tell you later.
Mr. Sargunan.
Huh?
Mr. Sargunan!
Why are you shouting like this?
Not in the name. Let's see how he works.
Hey, who's this lady? She's working here for a long time. Cleaner. Then she can work in some transport company for cleaning. As a cleaner.
When I saw the broomstick, I thought she was a new writer or someone.
Everybody, please be a little calm.
Okay, I have a doubt. Can we give something new in our magazine?
But that can be decided by our elder bro.
Oh God, please don't ask me anything.
No. You have not understood. Normally, some people say that we can do everything after asking the sister. Instead, we should tell that we should ask for the brother and then do.
That is correct. Yeah, that is good.
One more condition. For all the letters what we receive, I will give the reply myself.
I object for that. For that job, an evergreen hero like me will do it. That's enough. Hey, be careful. Give him some water. Sir, why are you coughing if you are not well? That only I have to cough and finish, right?
That is the better thing.
Okay. Give me a hand. Let us go inside and talk that out. Let us go inside.
Let's go.
Come. Keep it there.
Come here.
Come, sir.
Leave. Please leave. Come on, leave.
Please come in. Here.
Good morning.
Yeah, welcome.
What's your sweet name?
Renuga.
1 minute. Where is your house?
She is a regular staff only.
Actually, the working lady staff is less here.
If this is going to be the condition, it is going to reduce further.
Okay.
You sit here.
Thank you.
You sit here. Don't walk around too much.
I think this chair has got some problem.
Look, he has not been careful before sitting.
I knew that before itself.
Wherever he has been sitting, there has been some problem or the other.
Shut up. Open your mouth when needed.
Yeah, okay.
Excuse me, sir. With due respect to all the politicians, you may begin your job, sir.
Thank you.
Who is he, a sword fighter or what? You change and keep.
Just keep that aside.
What is this? The pen is not writing properly, huh?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Best of luck, sir.
Thank you.
It's been very nice, sir.
Good luck,
Thank you.
sir.
Good luck.
Thank you. Good
Good luck, sir.
Good luck to you.
That's okay.
Thank you. Thank you.
And moreover, the letter like this, how can we believe that it is father?
Why are you thinking a lot? Just tear that letter. Think about your career and status. Just forget about this letter and live happily. And also, don't discuss about this with anyone.
Say whatever you want. Nothing's gonna stop me from seeing my father. He means the world to me. Thank you, I'll take leave.
I don't know why he is behaving like this.
I remember the difficulties mother had in bringing us up. But I have to see my father. If mother was alive, I don't know if she'd have allowed me to see him.
On this seashore, sitting and looking at your face, I don't know how time flies.
Instead of that, I'll count this river water.
For that, I'm not your old Hari now, my dear. You told me you have something to tell me, right?
I have to ask one matter. You should not never say no.
Let me see.
This one, can you please publish in your newspaper?
For that, you have to come to the office and meet me.
Oh, I see. Then I'll give it into such a good newspaper.
Oh no, that's not required. Huh? This seems to be nice.
That is, I have good knowledge, so it will be like that only.
Okay, that's a nice answer. Every night in my dreams, I see you and dream
If you
about
sing
you.
this one, it will be good.
Come on, just sing it for me.
Hey, please you sing.
When you wrote this, did you have some tune in mind?
In that, Hindustani touch will be there. It should be in good sense. Start it.
Without knowing our power, those guys have decided to fight with us, right? Hey, TS.
So what you said is true, sir. They have got somebody else's support. Moreover, there are many people against us, right?
But I don't want anyone's support. I know how to handle these guys.
Sometime back, Shivan had called. Sam's Nobel on occult sciences is very much in demand. The circulation has also increased.
Whatever happens, I'm not planning to go back to my old business. Do you understand? My old egg business. Before that, I will close them.
God knows there is some problem with our time. That's the reason why. Otherwise, our business was really running well so far. Did anybody beat us till now?
I will definitely defeat them. If you say that I have a bad time, then definitely he's also having a bad time.
Get out! Hey, just burn it! Come on, shoot it! Oh, bloody paper! Just burn it! Come on! Burn it! Burn it into ashes! Come on, just burn it! Sure. Let's see! Hey! Who is behind all this, man? Oh, no! Hey, stop! My God!
Fighting each other is always not a solution for everything. That is always against our principles too.
Whatever sir said is very correct.
So what kind of reply should we be giving to such kind of a threatening?
My dear friends, this fellow Taragan was actually a poultry farm owner. But today, he is actually the king of the newspaper industry.
This is not an issue with just that one newspaper owner, Taragan.
Yes, he's right. We may have to face more people like him, and we have to compete with them. For that, what should we do? That we have to think now.
That is a simple thing, man. We just need to arrange for them.
What?
I mean commission.
Oh, yes, he's got a point. We should arrange for them. Commission.
But the circulation has to increase.
Yeah.
What do you say, Nazar?
Okay, accept it completely.
That is all.
Yeah, that's it.
Which means I will take 2 regions so that I can see those places. There is one more happy news.
Who passed away?
Our freelance journalist Manu Verma. Do you know him? He is willing to work for us. He has given me a word for that.
Oh, nice.
You thought everybody is like, you know
Not like
what?
that.
We should give salary.
I thought he would work for free.
It is actually because of my regular, relentless, and repeated approach that he agreed for this.
Isn't he a very famous person?
Actually, he's a very big man, right?
If we get this, then it's our luck.
Don't worry about it. Actually, he called me now. He's coming immediately. During studies, he was my junior. Now he might be senior. Listen, Hari. I don't like it. He's always pulling my leg. I don't like it. Hey, we were just talking about him. He has come, na? You have 100 years of long life, huh?
Good morning.
We were just
good morning.
talking about you only.
Yeah.
Hi, hi.
Nice
Actually,
meeting you. Nice meeting you.
I need not introduce myself to you, right?
Must be required.
What
is he
no,
saying?
it is required. It is required. Since it is official, it is required. I am Mr. JK.
Okay.
My pen.
Okay, sir, you said you know him, right?
Yeah, I mean that is not official, right?
Oh, okay.
Yes. Please sit down.
Actually, I know him and he knows me, but he doesn't
Buddy,
want
we
to
will
say
have a
that.
discussion later on, okay?
Okay,
That
sir.
is right. that is
Okay,
right.
sit down.
Then one more thing is there. He will not want to agree that he was working under me and all. He was my
I
junior.
have come here not only to look into your newspaper's issues. I want to work for the betterment of this country. That is my ultimate aim. Firstly, I need some freedom. Then, every one of you is cooperation. That is exactly what I want. Okay? Thank you.
Sir, you had asked for Lakshmi, right? She's come.
Why are you standing here? Get lost from here!
Okay, sir.
Wasting my precious time.
Sir, time is up. I have to leave now.
You need not worry, dear. You just have to cooperate with me, that's
Sir,
it.
please, I'm not that type of girl.
No, I'm also a very good person, you know.
Sir, please. Sir, leave me. I'm not that type of girl. Sir, please, leave me.
Move and stand, man. Move and stand. Move. Sir, here is she.
Does anyone know about her?
Yes, sir. I know, sir.
Then tell me.
She is my daughter, sir.
1 second.
Will you please move away
Sir,
from
let me
here?
just take some photographs.
Enough. Just get lost from here.
Sir, has his body been recognized?
Yeah, she's this man's daughter. How was she killed?
I don't know,
We
sir.
are getting certain news. Nowadays, even relatives are encouraging this, right?
How can you blindly decide upon that, sir?
Who are you? Sir, we are coming from a local newspaper daily, sir. So what?
Sir, is it a suicide or a murder?
What's doubt in that? It's definitely a murder.
Sir, do you have any suspects?
Of course I have. It's you. What, sir? Are you playing? Don't try to teach me. Hey, take the body to the hospital. We'll decide after the postmortem. Prakash, take the father also along with us.
Sir,
Sir, whoever you fool.
who has given this
This guy
man
is not
this job?
fit to be a policeman.
Mad brother.